Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Apple Retro Computing. I'm about to boot up the DOS 3.3 System Master for the Apple IIe, 2C, and 2 Plus, I believe. So I know it's for the 2C and 2E, and my Plus is in the closet, so I don't have any room for it. So it gets neglected. But this disc I'm about to show you, once I hit catalog, has Integer Basic and AppleSoft Basic and Master Create and Copy. And now it means I can hopefully format a disk if I can remember how. It's been 30 years since I've done any Apple disk copying, so, or maybe 20 years. I think I did it in the 90s when I lived in Oakland. All right, here we go. All you get now is the title, and this says be sure caps lock is down. So I'm going to type catalog. And the one thing this doesn't have that all my discs used to have, oh god, well, that's not going to work. I typed it wrong because I still can't see what it am. Alright, we type catalog, and there's the Hello AppleSoft Loader, Floating Point Basic, Integer Basic, Master Create, Copy Object, Copy A. I think Copy A is where you can copy a disk and format it, but I don't remember. Renumber file and FID. Convert 13, that converts disk from 13 sector to 16 sector. Muffin. Start 13, boot 13. I'm trying to remember all this stuff. It's been ages. And slot number. So I think if you type slot number, it tells you what slot your cards are in. This wouldn't really apply that much to the 2C. But I didn't have one of these that worked. And now I have one that doesn't work. And now, hopefully, when I get another drive hooked up to this, I have an extra 5 1/4 inch drive in the closet. Then I can put it on top here and be able to copy back and forth without having to swap disk all the time. And here's my Patton greeting card. Got this from somebody on eBay a long time ago. And my Patton poker chip. So, and my favorite game, which I'm still playing after all these years, Tigers in the Snow. All right. This cost me $18, but it was something I really needed because when I try to use Copy 2 Plus to format a disk, it doesn't recognize the disk. Very odd on my 2E. So, and some of the disks aren't recognized on the 2C either. If you've never seen an Apple 2C, this is what it is. You have the vents for cooling, the reset button, the 80 and 40 column setting. It has a built-in 80 and 40 column settings. You can do lower and uppercase, a thing to activate the keyboard, escape key, just pretty much standard keys, delete, return, shift, your cursor keys, open and close Apple, caps lock, and control, and that's it. And in the back, of course, I'm not going to pull out because then everything will fall on the floor. Your connectors, and this is hooked up to the Westinghouse using a yellow RCA cable, and I run everything on this Westinghouse in AV. It will not do VGA. Now I'm going to pull the disc, and then you can see what the colors look like. I don't know. There used to be a program called ColorSoft, and of course there's Brickout if I ever get the disc for that. I've run Brickout on the 2E, and I have to get a set of paddles or a joystick or something. I used to love playing Apple Brickout. All right, here goes Tigers. And I'll just, for those who haven't seen it, I'll show you the colors. The colors well, man. And 1980s technology. I play the whole campaign now. When I started playing this game years ago, and I played the Americans, it kicked my butt. So I don't play the Americans. I don't let the computer play the Germans. So this is what an HD TV set looks like in AV. You're basically getting, I guess, a sort of VGA display, but I'll let this run for a minute. And I play Starfleet 1, and that's really the only games I've got that work on this thing right now. I've got some other games I can try out, but half the discs that I got from this guy didn't work. And they had games on them, and they had, unfortunately, boring educational stuff. So I'll probably sell those if I can. Sell them for like $1. Get rid of them. Really weird educational stuff. The guy had a whole bunch of educational software and a lot of blank disks that would not format, including TRS-80 disk and IBM disk. They rejected them out of hand. I threw some of them away because I couldn't figure out what the hell to do with them. All right, we'll hit this and then I'll show you one attack there. Here we go. All right, attacking that unit. Infantry does not fare well in this game against armor. And so you pull back the infantry and let all your panzers do the job. So there's an attack. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm, dry, wet, or cool as the case may be. And stay safe out there. And may you win all your battles online. Bye-bye for now.